Dear friends, today here I will discuss the two results that will depends upon the intervals, types of intervals in our special relativity. We have in SR the interval is of this kind, ds square is equal to minus dl square plus c square into dt square. Now whenever the first term dl is equal to 0, then here we say the events they will take place at the same point. And whenever dt equal to 0, then we say the interval between these two events they will take place at the same time, means these events they are known as our simultaneous events. Now whenever ds square is greater than 0, then in this case we say that the interval ds is our time like interval. Whenever it is less than 0, then we can say it is a space like interval, and whenever ds square is equal to 0, then such type of intervals they are known as our null like, or we can say it is a light like interval. Now the result that will depends upon these intervals is like this. The first one is in an inertial frame. Yes, suppose this interval, if it is our time like interval, then there exists an inertial system S dash in which this interval or these events they will take place at the same point in our S dash. So the result is of this kind. There exists an inertial frame S dash in which the two events occur at one and the same point if the interval between the two events is a time like interval. Now let us suppose the ds be a time like interval between any two events occurring in an inertial frame S, then here we know ds becomes our minus dl square plus c square into dt square, it is greater than 0. For an observer in S dash, here we get ds dash is equal to minus times dl dash square plus c square into dt dash its square. But here we know ds square is invariant, it means ds square is equal to ds dash its square. And therefore, this ds square is equal to minus times dl dash square plus c square into dt dash square, it is greater than 0. So this equation permits us to take, now this factor it is greater than 0 means we may take this dl dash is equal to 0. But here we know whenever dl dash is 0 means these two events in S dash they will take place one at the same point. But this equation does not permit us to take dt equal to dt dash is equal to 0. If you take dt dash equal to 0, then we get a contradiction, otherwise we get in this case a contradiction. To this ds square it is now greater than 0. Okay, and therefore here it does not permit to take our dt dash is equal to 0. It means in an inertial frame S dash these events they will take place one at the same point, but they are not a simultaneous event in our S dash. So this is the first result. Now our second result is like this. Just we can change, if these events instead of a time like, if we consider it as a space like in time, space like interval. Space like interval means like this. Suppose we take instead of this time like, here we consider it is now a space like interval. In our inertial system S, then ds square is equal to minus dl square plus c square into dt square. So it instead of greater than 0, it is now less than 0. When it is less than 0 or an observer in S dash, ds dash is again of the same type, and therefore ds square equal to ds dash square implies ds square is equal to, so here instead of our greater than 0, it is now less than 0. Whenever it is less than 0, then this equation permits us to take dt dash is equal to 0. dt dash is equal to 0. Whenever dt dash is equal to 0 means these two events in our S dash they will take place at the same time. Instead of same place we can say it is at same time, means these events they are the simultaneous events in an inertial frame of our S dash. So this is the second result, means there exists an inertial system S dash in which the two events occur at one at the same, instead of our point, we can see it is a one at the same time. And then if the interval between two events, it becomes a space-like. So when it is a space-like, then in an inertial system S dash, these event they will take place at the same time, means they are the simultaneous events. But these events, they are not takes place at the same point in an inertial frame S dash. Thanks.